so we have a new hedge trimmer from Ogery to share today. This one's pretty neat. It's a 2-in-1. It does have a guard for both the blades. You have the shorter blade that you can use, and we have our longer one. This one also does come with two 21-volt batteries. And then you do have your 12-volt charger. Now to swap out your attachments for this one, really easy. You're gonna have two buttons here on the side. Press those, and this just unlocks it and pops right out. And then you can take the other one, and you'll see that there's these gears inside, and this just snaps right in. And then we're ready for the larger one. Pretty neat. I'd call this one the Finger Pruner 2000. You definitely do not want to get your fingers in there. There is a light, an LED light here in the front, so if you happen to be working in the dark or dim conditions, I guess this will work for you. Also, you can change the angle of this, so you can press these buttons here, and you can change the angle of this. So if you want to go downward, makes it a little easier if you're trying to get like grass and stuff. Then of course you do have your safety button here, and then your trigger to use it here. So it's really super easy to use. Now I don't have a whole lot of hedges here because I live in the forest, but we will try this on, I guess, some ferns and vines and whatever else is in here. So we'll start off with a small one first, give it a try. Now normally I would take a trimmer to this, but let's go ahead and try it out on some grass. It'll also work easily on these smaller vines and these smaller branches. It actually goes through this stuff pretty easy. Let's find something else. Maybe show it on some of these thicker ferns here. Cuts right through that super easy. Cuts those twigs easy. Yeah, so it'll definitely cut through this stuff. And then we could switch over to that other one. You know, we want to do a little more cutting. The other smaller piece will be good for those smaller to reach or tighter to reach places in bushes and pots and things. Now let's try this one. This will handle even branches. So let's say you wanted to do a smaller branch on a tree or a bush. Well, this one doesn't work as well on these larger ones. All right, so it will cut through that one. That smaller one actually works a little better when you got branches, but this will work on some of the branches. And then of course the smaller stuff, vines and everything, is going to be super easy. All right, I think I didn't have the camera far enough down for all of this, so let me do another section. All right, let's tackle some of these ferns that are a little thicker. It even works for some of these smaller branches. But if you're looking for a hedge trimmer, it's got two different sizes. You got your shorter one and you got this one. You could also change the angles. You can do grass, you can do bushes. You could even do some of the smaller tree limbs. It will work for that. And it has awesome battery life. Like, it still has full bars, even with everything I've already cut with it. And the battery will last a long time. The other battery will be charged before this one's ever even dead. But anyway, that's my quick demo for the hedge trimmer from Ogery.